हेलो, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू श्री दिगंबर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दौसा। माय नेम मिस्टर हरदेश कुमार। टुडे we will discuss about the 8051 architecture, subject microprocessor, lecture number 7. Microcontroller. A microcontroller is a small and low cost microcomputer which is designed to perform the specific task of embedded system, like displaying microwave information, receiving remote signal. The general microcontroller consists of the processor, the memory, RAM, ROM, EPROM, serial port, peripheral, timer, counter. For example, Intel 8031 and 8051 are 8-bit microcontroller. 8031 or 8051 microcontroller. This is the 8-bit microcontroller. Microcontroller different type: 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. Explain 8051 architecture are 8-bit microcontroller. Basics block diagram of 8051 microcontroller: interrupt control, CPU, oscillator, on-chip ROM for program code, bus control, on-chip RAM, 4 input-output port, timer and counter, and serial port, TXD, RXD. Counter input, external interrupt. External interrupt means a peripheral type interrupt. Interrupt basically INTA, interrupt acknowledgement, trap, RST 7.5, 6.5 and 5.5. This is the interrupt control. CPU, central processing unit, OSC, oscillators, LC oscillator, RC oscillator, crystal oscillator, and different type of oscillator. Oscillate the frequency 1 megahertz to 14 megahertz. On-chip ROM for program counter, programming chip, store read-only memory for a program code. Bus control, basically data buses, (8-bit) and address bus 16-bit, and this is the control bus. On-chip RAM, random access memory, IC के अंदर, IC डिपेंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, LSI, MSI, VLSI, ULSI, very large scale integration, ultra large scale integration, and port P0, P1, P2, P3, address and data, timer and counter, timer 1, timer 0, serial port TXDA and RXD. Feature: 8-bit CPU, 16-bit program counter and data pointer, 8-bit program status word, 8-bit stack pointer, 4 kilobyte of on-chip program memory, 128 byte of on-chip data random access memory, 8-bit CPU, 8-bit data process central processing unit, 8-bit data buses and 16-bit address bus. तो CPU सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, तो एनी प्रोग्राम कोड प्रोसेसिंग 8-bit, 16-bit प्रोग्राम काउंटर एंड डाटा पॉइंटर, प्रोग्राम काउंटर 16-bit एंड डाटा पॉइंटर 8-bit प्रोग्राम स्टेटस वर्ड, 8-bit स्टैक पॉइंटर, 4 kilobyte of on-chip program memory, 128 byte of on-chip data random access memory RAM. (64 kilobyte of program memory address space, 64 kilobyte of data memory address space, 2 16-bit timer and counter, 16-bit address bus multiplex with port 0 and port 2, 32-bit bidirectional input-output line can be either used as 8-bit port, on-chip clock oscillator, control register, serial data receiver and transmitter, and interrupt source. Interrupt source maskable and non-maskable, vector and scalar type. Serial data receiver transmitter. Receiver is the electronics equipment, transmitter is the electronics equipment. Receiver and transmitter serial data. Control register control the register and storage value. On-chip clock oscillator oscillate the frequency. 32 bidirectional input output line can be either used as 8-bit port. 16-bit address bus multiplex by port 0 and port 2 connected to 16-bit timer and counter, 64 kilobyte of data memory address space and 64 kilobyte of program memory address space. Architecture of 8051. Processor include arithmetic and logic unit, instruction decoder, timing generation unit, accumulator, B register, status register. Status register S0 and S1 given of status. B register accumulator storage devices. Timing generation unit read, write, ALE. Instruction decoder arithmetic and logic unit and processing include. arithmetic and logic unit, program computing function. Accumulator is 8-bit register, arithmetic and logical operation. One of the operand is in A register. Result is stored is only A. C carry flag. Result stored in accumulator ALU. Condition of set and reset. Auxiliary carries. Performance of ALU. Auxiliary carry is set and reset. Overflow out of bit. Condition overflow, set and reset, and parity flag and status register. Instruction decoder and control. When an instruction is fetched, it is loaded in the instruction register. Decoder decode the instruction and stabilize the sequence of event to follow. Instruction cycle is defined as the time required for completing the execution of the instructions. Execution of an instructions, different microprocessor instructions execute instruction cycle. It's read cycle, write cycle, clock cycle, ALE, CPU register. A register 8-bit direct connection with ALU. In multiplication, one of 8-bit operand is stored in A, and after operation it is stored lower byte in A. In division, holds 8-bit dividend and quadrant is stored in A. B register 8-bit used with multiply and divide operation. In multiplication, after operation it store higher byte in B. In division, hold 8-bit divisor and remainder is stored in B. Register A, B, R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. Some 8-bit register of the 8051. DPH, DPL, program counter, direct program TR. This is the storage devices of register. Program status word. Carry flag, auxiliary carry, general purpose register, register bank selected bit 1, register bank selected bit 0, overflow flag, use defined bit, and parity flags. This is the program status word. Data pointer, DPTR data pointer consists of two 8-bit register, high byte and low byte 16-bit address to furnish address information for internal and external program memory and for external data memory. Program counter 16-bit register specified the address of next instructions to be executed. After reset, PC will be set to 000H. 8051 fetch the instruction 1 byte at a time. After increment, it increment PC by 1. this is the 16-bit register. Address of next instructions to the executes. Condition of set and reset, PC will be the set conditions, the program counter will be 0. 8051 fetch the instruction 1 byte at a time. After increment, it increment by 1. Thank you watching this video.